Okay, so we have this question from algebraic probability trees, and it's a very good question. There are only green pens and blue pens in a box. There are 3 more blue pens than green pens in the box. There are more than 12 pens in the box. Simon is going to take at random 2 pens from the box. The probability that Simon will take 2 pens of same color is 27 by 55. And you have to work out the number of green pens in the box, right? So it's a very interesting question. So since there are only green pens and blue pens in the box, and the second information which is given to you is there are 3 more blue pens than green pens, means blue pens are more. So B is equals to G plus 3. And so the total number of pens will be what? G plus B, because there are only green pens and blue pens. So it is going to be 2G plus 3, right? So total number of pens are 2G plus 3. One more information which is given to us is that there are more than 12 pens in the box, right? Okay, let's see where we can use this information. Now, Simon is taking 2 pens at random, and they both are of same color, and its probability is given as 27 by 55. So same color means both pen can be blue, or both the pen can be green, right? Now to choose the first blue, how many blue pens are there? So what we should do is we will try to make all the variables same, to make equation simple, right? So I will write everything in terms of G. So the first blue pen, because there are G plus 3 blue pens, so it is going to be G plus 3 divided by 2G plus 3. And since you have taken 1 blue pen, now the number of blue pens which are left is G plus 3 minus 1 and 2G plus 3 minus 1, right? Then plus, for the first green pen, it will be G divided by 2G plus 3, right? And for the next green pen, it will be G minus 1 divided by 2G plus 3 minus 1. And according to the question, this value is 27 divided by 55. So this is the equation. Now we'll solve this equation. Now this implies that, let's try to simplify it, G plus 3 divided by 2G plus 3. And on this side, it will be G plus 2 divided by 2G plus 2 plus G divided by 2G plus 3 and G minus 1 divided by 2G plus 2 equals to 27 divided by 55, right? Now, let's try to solve it. So first GG will become G square, then 2G plus 3G plus 6 divided by, it will be 4G squared, because 2G times 2G will give you 4G squared, and then plus 2G times 2 will give you 4G plus 6G and plus 6, right? Plus G times G squared minus G divided by the same thing, right? The denominators are same, so you can directly write 4G squared plus 4 plus 6, 10G plus 6. The same thing you have to write here also, which is going to be 27 by 55. Now we'll write this in the next line. So it is going to be g squared plus 5g plus 6 divided by the same thing, 4g squared plus 10g plus 6 plus g squared minus g divided by 4g squared plus 10g plus 6 equals to 27 by 55, right? Now, because the denominators are same, so we can add the numerators. So g squared plus g squared is going to be 2g squared. 5g minus g will give you plus 4g and plus 6. This divided by 4g squared plus 10g plus 6 equals to 27 by 55, right? Now, I can clearly see in numerator and denominator, 2 is common. So I will take out 2. It will become g squared plus 2g plus 3. And in the denominator side also, I will take 2 common. It will become 2g squared plus 5g plus 3. And that is equals to 27 by 55. And so I can cancel out these two easily. And also in the same step, let me do the cross multiplication. So let me use the calculator. So it will be like 55 times g squared is going to be 55g squared plus 55 times 2 is 110g. 55 times 3 will give you plus 165. Then 27 times 2 will give you 54g squared. Then 27 times 5 will give you 135g, and plus 27 times 3 is 81, right? Now, let's simplify this one. So 55g squared on this side, if I transfer 54g squared to left-hand side, I will get g squared. Then 110g minus 135g, if I transfer this also to this side, I will get minus 25g. And 165 minus 81 will give me plus 84 equals to 0. So now we have a quadratic equation. Now either we can solve it using quadratic formula. Let me just, or you can solve it using splitting middle term. Okay. Now we'll try to spend some 10 seconds. If we are able to solve it using splitting middle term, then it's okay. But don't give more than 10 seconds, okay? If not, then we'll go with the quadratic formula anyways. So for splitting middle term, the product of roots should be 84. And the sum of the roots needs to be minus 25, right? So what I can do, 84 can be taken as 42 and 2. This can be written as 21, 2, 2. So 2 and 2, 4 and 21. Yes. So 21 plus 4 can give me 25. But the product needs to be plus 84. So it should be, sorry, minus 25. So I will take both negative, right? So now I will write it as, solving this quadratic equation, you can write it as g squared minus 21g minus 4g plus 84 equals to 0, right? And then here you can take g common, it will be g minus 21. From this side, you can take minus 4 common, and it will be g minus 21 equals to 0. Now from these two, you can take g minus 21 common. Inside, it will be g minus 4 equals to 0. Therefore, either G will be equals to 21 or G will be equals to 4. Now you're getting two values of G. Now this is where we'll use this information, right? It says there are more than 12 pens in the box. That means G plus B should be more than 12, right? It means your G plus B should be greater than 12. Now, if G is 4, let's say if G is 4, then B will be G plus 3, right? According to the question. If G is 4, then B must be 7. So B is going to be 4 plus 3, 7. And G plus B in that case is 11, which is less than 12. So G equals to 4 will be rejected, right? So we'll reject it. Therefore, and if you try to check G equals to 21, which is, of course, it itself is greater than 12, right? Therefore, G equals to 21 is the correct answer. So the number of green pens in the box is 21. So 21 is the correct answer to this question. Okay, this is the complete solution. Yeah. Thank you.